Hey there, is your oven door not sealing properly? Today's guide is all about how to fix a rubber seal on a Westinghouse oven. A faulty rubber seal can lead to inefficient cooking, wasted energy, and a hot kitchen, but fret not, because we're here to help you ensure your oven door closes perfectly once again. Step 1. Identify the problem. Before you dive into fixing, it's crucial to understand the issue. Open the oven door and inspect the rubber seal. Check for visible wear or tear such as cracks or hardened sections, which can prevent the door from sealing correctly. If the seal appears damaged, it will likely need a replacement. Step 2. Gather your tools. To fix or replace the rubber seal, you'll need a few basic tools. A flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, a new Westinghouse oven door seal compatible with your model, gentle cleaner like mild dish soap, and a damp cloth. Make sure you've got everything ready before starting the process to ensure a smooth fix. Step 3. Remove the damaged seal. Start by opening the oven door. Locate the ends of the rubber seal, which should be tucked into grooves or clips around the perimeter of the door. Use the flathead screwdriver to gently loosen the seal from the grooves. If your model has clips, carefully pry them open without bending them out of shape. Once loosened, gently pull the seal away, starting at one end. Use the pliers if necessary to pull out any stubborn section. Step 4. Clean the groove. With the old seal removed, now's a good time to clean the groove where the seal sits. Use a damp cloth with a bit of mild dish soap to remove grease, grime, and any lingering adhesive. This ensures that the new seal will adhere properly, offering you a better result. Step 5. Install the new seal. Unpack your Westinghouse oven door seal and check for instructions specific to it. Generally, you'll start by slipping one end of the seal into a groove on the door, making sure it sits flush and secure. Proceed to press the seal into the groove around the entire door, ensuring it doesn't twist or bunch up. If your oven model uses clips, make sure each section of the seal is held tightly by these clips. Use the screwdriver to gently adjust as needed, ensuring a snug fit. Step 6. Test your work. With the new seal installed, close the oven door to check its fit. The door should close securely without any gaps, creating a tight seal that will trap heat effectively. If the door seems misaligned, double check to ensure the seal is not bunched up and that all clips are secure. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to fix a rubber seal on a Westinghouse oven. By following these steps, your oven should now operate more efficiently, ensuring evenly cooked meals and a cooler kitchen environment. Regular maintenance, including cleaning and inspection of the seal, can prolong its life and prevent future issues. Enjoy your perfectly sealed oven and happy cooking.